doon mga 7.
would have been right on board for this. And looking back
Dapat
at
7
Al
kami
Gore,
aalis.
another one of the things he promised
So,
when he was
kami ni
wanting
Ella
to become
mabagal.
president, wasn't it? We
Hindi
had a
ako
great
mabagal,
drive
tapos na kaya ng CR.
getting rid of waste
Yung
and
pinakikiramdaman ko yung
bureaucracy.
tiyan. Walang ginawa.
Yeah,
Tapos sa Ella
a lot of
mabagal.
politicians have
Ayun, natutulog
promised
si
this
Ella.
over the years or have
Ayan.
paid some lip service to it. But I will tell
Tutulog si
you,
Ella.
now that Trump and his
So,
team had
on the way
actually
to
started
Sheffield
to
kami.
put some shoulder to the
Tingnan niyo
wheel,
ha.
if you will,
Kanina,
people were getting
sayang, hindi
upset
ko sa
about
inyo
it. So
napakita
it's
yung
one of those strange
sunod-sunod
things
may
where people
lake.
promise
Alam mo
it,
yung parang,
voters
ewan ko
seem to
kung
like
totoo
it,
ba yung
and
lake
then they do
o
nothing about it. In
ano.
this case,
Sabi ko sa
Trump
kanya, ano
promised
ba
it,
yun?
he's doing
Yung
something
parang
about it,
baha.
and of course
Pero
you see
hindi,
all the people in the
lake daw
institutional,
yun.
sort of permanent
Natural lang.
Washington people getting buried.
Other ways than it always does stop itself being upset.
I think there will be things he can do in the executive branch that the president has the authority to do that will, you could argue that yes, we shrunk the size of government, we eliminated some bureaucracy, we eliminated an office that we didn't
Nasa
think would be
NLEX tayo.
a lot of this, however, has to go through Congress. They have to sign off on some issues, and there are very small margins.
Ayun, may train. Ewan ko nakikita niyo yung train.
A small
Ayun
margin
na,
in the Senate
may
as
train
well.
na. Ayun na.
Filibuster proof
Kita niyo
rules.
yung train.
And so, what you have to take to Congress is inherently more complicated because there are always members of Congress who want to protect certain things or certain issues that they care about. But what Trump can do in the executive branch via executive order or just his
May
own
train.
power as the president, I think they will do it. And I think you'll be able to go to the American people and say, I did what I could do. We asked Congress to do some things.
Sheffield na kami. Sheffield na. Fridays. Bakit parang malabo? Pinunasan. Sheffield na. Ayun, may next to na home. Fridays. Dito na kami. Naputol yung ano ko, yung kwintas ko. Putol siya. Isip, nakapainis. Hindi ko na ito dadalhin siguro. I'm not bringing this.
I'm bringing my hat.
Yeah, you're fine with your hat. Should have brought my hat, but it's okay. I've got hood.
Then we'd be matching.
I forgot. Parang ang labo. Ayun. Malabo. Ganyan. Dali lang ha.
There's on a t-shirt are the exact same green.
What? Oh yeah, they are.
Yeah, the cardigan and my outfit were the exact same green. I thought that the cardigan would be a little bit darker, but no, they're the exact same.
So, nandito na kami. Nandito na. Sinugot ko. Basta sa loob. Hindi na ginaw. Nandito na kami. So, nandito na kami mga bebs. Yan si Ella. Outfit check ni Ella. Ella. Naka-terno yan. Naka-terno. Mamaya yung hubarin niya na yan. Yung ko na feel. Oh, nila ube.
See, Mama, they're the exact same.
Oh yeah, they are.
I want my hat.
Yes.
Oh, I want my hat.
Oh, sige. White stuff. Ayan, white stuff. Babe, what's that? Wala. Hear it.
Mama.
Hey, what?
Hang on a minute. Is that
Action.
her voice? Huh?
Northern.
No, it sounded like what's her name? I watched this lady. She's American actually. She sounded like that. And then Ella looked at me. Kumain na kami ng breakfast na kami quick breakfast. Okay, let's go. Come on, Ella. Nagsiyan na naman ako ng ribs. Ayun yung problema ko simula nung na ano ako, na-operahan ako ng gallbladder ko. CR ako ng CR. Pag kumain ako CR. Pinaano ko kanina pa pala tawag si asawa. Tinatawag ko naman, hindi naman sumasag, hindi nag-aano yung telepono ko. Ang dali, tatawagan ko. Ang daming mga ano dito. Ang weird ng tindahan na to. Kere? Kere? Ang galing yung tindahan na to. Japan quality, Bandai. Mga ano siya, yung anong tawag dyan? Yung ano yung tawag dyan? Kasi dispenser siya, oh. Yun na yun. Oh. Ang galing, oh. Sa Japan, ayan, oh. Oh, ayun, oh. Matakukuha ka 6 pounds 3 tokens. Oh, collectibles. Ang galing. Oh. Parang nasa Japan ka din, oh. Ang galing, di ba mga website, oh. Kaya lang 6 pounds, kamahal. Ayun lang nakuha ni Ella. Oh, galing, oh. Ang dami na namin napuntahan. Kaya may nabili siyang swimming.
Dinosaur! Look, when I squeeze, it goes up. Short.
May nag-aanay na. Daming tao. Parang last week ng Christmas shopping. Ito inubo na. Inubo na siya. Zara. Favorite namin ni Ella, Zara. Zara.
Dinosaur.
You wanna go there, babe? Urban
Outfitters.
Outfitters.
Urban.
You wanna go there? 75% off, it says. You know.
Up to 75% on selected items and
Which is?
all the shit.
What did you say? Oh, all the shit ones daw, yung 75% off. kaya kasi binigay siya 75% off kasi hindi siya mabili. Mano ako, no? Sale. Ganda, oh. Mas ano dyan sa atin, mas magarbo yung Christmas decorations. Walang sinabi dito sa UK. Yan, oh. Tingnan niyo itong mall dito. Oh, ganyan lang yan siya. Meron doon parang ano, yun, oh. Kurti-kurtina. Oh. Molten brown. May kaibigan ako yung dati nagtatrabaho siya. Yung ano, yung parang scientist na molten brown. Yung mga pabango. Yan. Molten brown. Amo niya.
Where's Typo?
Oh yeah, Anna wants to go Typo.
Where is it?
We need to look Typo. Polestar, babe. Babe, Polestar. We almost got Polestar. Hi, nahanap ko yung dalawa kasi nag-stop over ako dun sa 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 Victoria's Secret. Kasi binilan ko ng smelly si Evie. Okay.
Oh, that's quite a nice top.
What? What?
The top.
It's 405 pounds.
It's diesel.
405.
Where are we going now?
The initial
Oh, where is it?
typo.
Why did you go to diesel instead of typo? I was looking for typo. Yan yung Jollibee. Jollibee. Go there. Jollibee.
Right. Jolly hot dog.
Meal.
Mama, can you
Jollibee. Hello. So sa akin, Chicken Joy, tsaka spaghetti. Yes, okay. Ala, okay. Kinuha na yung spaghetti ko. Napakaluto ba? Kinuha na yung pagkain ko.
Mix it.
Yes, it's mine eh. Yan yung Chicken Joy. O, Jollibee. Ayun, nandun yung Jollibee. Hindi ko alam kung makikita ninyo na ano. So, ayan. Ang daming tao mga boobs. Kasi parang ito na yung pinakasiguro last week nang mamili ka ng ano mo, ng mga regalo mo. Ayan. Sa Pilipinas, okay na ako. Nakapagpadala na ako ng ano nila, ng kanilang pang Christmas. Yung regalo ko sa aking boylets. Yung dalawang boys ko. So, ito yung sa amin. Si tatay. German doner kebab yung kay tatay. Bet niya yun eh. So, kagaling.
You know I like the spaghetti.
Huh?
You know I like the spaghetti.
Well, you should have asked for spaghetti instead of a hot dog then.
I like hot dog too. You can put this on the bag too.
Yeah. Eat your hot dog na. Kanya hot dog. Tapos pinapaano niya to, pinapa-customize niya yung hot dog niya. Ayaw niya nung mayroong mustard. Thirsty cheese. Ella, they put it inside. Look. Yun. Tapos pumili ako ng peach mango
There's
pie.
barely any cheese.
Talk to her. Barely any cheese daw.
There is. Look.
You want me to leave you some?
And hot dog.
You're eating a hot dog already. Kaya lang wala akong ano. Ella, wait. It's mine. You ask for your ano. Pagkain ko, napunta na sa kanya. She's eating my food.
Who's got the spaghetti?
Huh? Yeah, it's a meal, spaghetti and chicken. Babe. You're not having my peach mango pie.
I don't
Okay?
like it.
Good.
Another cheeky.
I like it.
No. Gutom yan eh. Hindi Hindi yan nag-almusal ng ano. Kumain lang siya isang ano lang. Isang auntie. Yun lang kinain niya kanina. Hungry? You hungry? Umiyan ko. Kaya natin siya.
I love the fries.
Yeah?
French
Ang chicken ng chicken joy. Cup ng chicken joy. Nakaupo kami ni Ella dito. Na. Sitting. Waiting for Dada. Nasa Jack Jones kami. Jack and Jones. Jack and Jones. Nasa Jack and Jones kami. Kasi nagsusukat ng ano ng oats tatay yun. Sukat ng oats. This is kitchen and food. Yeah. Ay, sa bakas mga bebs. Naka-ano na rin tayo.
Not your charger.
Ano ba yung exposure na to? Uy. Bakit ganun? White balance. Ayan. Hindi ko mag-gets. Bakit ganun? Parang ang liit ng screen ko. Hindi siya nag reset natin.
Does it come with the car or do you have to buy it?
Sure.
That
Not sure na nangyayari dito sa akin. Anyways, nandito na kami. Ano na kami? Dito na kami. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami. Pero ako hindi pa ako tapos. Meron pa
Why
ako
does
ilang
the
bibili.
camera look like that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because of the light. It's because of the light and it's kind of dark.
Is it? Oo.
It's because of the light.
It's fine. Sige, bye. Dali na.
Wait. Dino.
Sorry. Oh. Right, get yourself ready.
You're not charging the bubble tea.
Go. Sit down, I go. They managed to sort it out. Uwian na. Ano oras na? Ano siya? Sige, bye-bye.
Dino says bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Tingnan mo. Nagda-drive yung sasakyan mag-isa. Wala driving by itself. Autopilot. Autopilot. Galing Umaandar tayo. Mamaya sabihin nyo hindi maandar eh.